Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the easier activity for maths on Friday, the 29th of January. This is your last math session for the week, and we are so proud of all the fantastic work you have been doing. We have absolutely loved seeing the work on our emails. It's been brilliant. Well done. So today you are going to be drawing tens and ones to help you solve not only subtraction sums, but also addition sums. So let's have a look at our first sum, shall we? I've got 7 add 2 equals. So when we add, what do I need to do? Do I need to draw tens and ones just for the first number, or do I need to draw them for both numbers? Brilliant work. I need to draw them for both numbers because when we're adding, our number gets bigger. Our answer is always bigger than the numbers we start with. So if we look at 7, I've only got one digit number, which means I've only got 1. So I need how many little ones underneath? Brilliant, 7. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I'm adding, so remember, when we said adding, we've got to do both. So how many little ones am I going to need for number 2? Great work. I'm going to need 2. So I'm going to do 2 little ones. 1, 2. So now, in order to find the answer, what have I got to do? Excellent. I've got to add them both together. I've got to add all of these ones and I've got to add all of these ones to find the answer. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is my answer to 7 add 2? Brilliant work. It's 9. Well done. So I'm going to draw my 9 nicely next to the equals. Just like that. Let's have a look at another one. So here I've got what sum? What does my sum read? Great work. It reads 8 take away 6 equals. So when we take away, do I draw tens and ones for both numbers or one number? Well done. I only draw it for one number. But which number do I draw it for? Excellent work. I draw it for the biggest number. And my biggest number in a takeaway sum is always at the start of the sum. So again, 8 is a one-digit number. So I only need ones. But how many ones am I going to need? Super work. And you're right. I'm going to need 8 little ones. Are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've done my 8 little ones. And now I've got to take how many away from that 8? Great work. I've got to take away 6 from the 8. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones am I left with now then, children? Super. I'm left with 2 ones. So I'm going to write 2 ones next to my equals. Just like that. And when we take away, if you remember, our answer is always smaller than the number that we started with. So when we started with 8, our answer is our biggest number and our answer is smaller than the 8. Should we have a look at another one? Okay, so here's another addition sum. So I've got 11, which is a 2-digit number. Add 8, which is a 1-digit number. What do I draw the tens and ones for? Well remembered. I draw them for both numbers because when we add, our number gets bigger. So let's have a look at 11. How many ones has 11 got? Great work. It's got 1, 1. And how many tens has it got? Excellent. 1 10. So I'm going to draw my 1, 1. And then I'm going to draw my stick of 10. Excellent. So let's look at 8. Has it got 10s or has it got 1s? Well done. It's got 1s because it's a 1-digit number. So I need to draw 8 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do I have to do now? Well, remember, children, I need to add all of my ones together first, because in any addition sum or any subtraction sum, we always work with the ones first. So let's add them up. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many little ones do we have all together? Brilliant. We have 9 ones. So I'm going to leave a little gap because I know I've got some 10s to look at as well. So I've got 9 ones. Now let's have a look at our 10s. I've got 1 10, add 0 10s because 8 is a 1-digit number. So let's add the 10s up. 1 10, add 0 10. What's my answer? Fantastic, it is 1 10. Does that go after or before the ones? Great work, it goes before the ones. So 18 add 9 equals, 11 add 8 equals 19. Well done, children. Let's have a look at another one. So here I've got a what sum? I've got a take away sum. Well done. So what do I need to draw the 10s and 1s for? Brilliant. I only draw it for my biggest number because it's taking away. And what's my biggest number in this sum, children? Super duper. It's 14. My biggest number is 14. So let's have a look. How many 1s am I going to need to draw? I'm going to need to draw 4 1s. And we know 4's the 1's number because it's the last number of the whole number. So let's draw 4 1s. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 10s am I going to need to draw, children? Great work. I'm going to need to draw 1 stick of 10. Do I need to draw 10s and 1s for my 4? No, Miss McGrath, you don't, because we're taking away. You need to take away 4 from the 4 1s of 14. Can you help me then? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1s have I been left with? Great work. Well worked out. I have been left with 0 1s. Do I just leave it blank in my answer box here then? No, Miss McGrath. You need to draw the 0 to show there's 0 1s. Like that. Okay, then let's have a look at our 10s. How many 10s have I got? I've got 1 10, take away. How many 10s? Well done. There's 0 10s to take away because 4 is a 1-digit number. So let's have a go. 1 10, take away, 0 10s. What's the answer? Great work. It's 1 10. And I'm going to put it before my 1s number because the 10s always goes before the 1s. So 14 take away 4 equals, it equals 10. Well done. Let's make it a little bit trickier now then. Are you ready? So here I've got two-digit numbers and they're both very big numbers. I've got, can you read this number? 66, take away 32. Well done. So now it's a takeaway sum. Where do I draw my 10s and 1s? Do I draw them for both or one number? Well done. I draw them for one number. But what one number is that? Excellent. It is 66. So let's have a look at 66. Let's have a look at how many 1s I need first. So I need 6 1s. So I'm going to draw my 6 1s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many sticks of 10 am I going to need for 66? Brilliant. I'm going to need 6 sticks of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll put my extra one here, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 10s. And I've tried to space them out a bit, children, so you can see them clearly. Okay, take away. Let's look at 32. How many 1s do I need to take away? Great work. I need to take away 2 ones. So from my 6 ones, I'm going to take away 2 ones. Are you ready? 1, 2. How many ones have I been left with? Brilliant, children. Well done. I've been left with 4 ones. So I'm going to leave a gap because might have some 10s and write my 4 ones there. Let's have a look at the 10s. And have I got any 10s to take away? Yes, I have. How many 10s have I got to take away? Brilliant. I've got to take away 3 10s from the 6 10s because it says 66, take away 32. So let's take away 3 10s. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. How many 10s have I got left? Excellent work. I've got 3 10s left. So I'm going to put my 10s before or after the 4 ones. Well done. I'm going to put it before the 4 ones. So 66 take away 32 equals what, children? Brilliant. It equals 34. Let's have a look at one more before I show you your task. I've got 24 add 32. Let's look at 24 first. How many ones have I got to draw? Well done. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 10s have I got to draw? Great work. 2 10s. 1 10, 2 10. Have I got to draw 10s and 1s for my 32? Yes, well done, children. You're absolutely right. I do have to draw 10s and 1s for my 32 because I am adding. And when we add, our answer is always bigger. So how many 1s have I got for 32? Great work. I've got 2 1s. So I'm going to draw my 2 1s. And how many 10s have I got for 32? Fantastic. I've got 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what are we going to add together first? Our 10s or our 1s? Well done. We're going to add our 1s together first. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 1s did I have all together? Fabulous. I have 6 1s. What do I have to do now? Well done. I have to add my 10s up. Are you ready? 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Where do I put that 5 10s? Well done. Before the 6 1s, like that. So, my answer to 24 add 32 is what? Well done. It's 56. So, today, children, your task is to have a look at your sheet, which says easier activity, Friday the 29th of January, and you're going to choose 2 of these levels to do. You might do mild and spicy, or you might do spicy and hot. Or, if you wanted to, you could only do 1 level. It's entirely up to you. But your job is going to be on a different piece of paper to write down the sum and underneath draw the 10s and 1s yourself to help you solve it. Remember, if it's adding, we have to draw both 10s and 1s on both numbers. But if it's take away, we only draw the 10s and 1s for the biggest number. Great work, children. Well done. Thank you for listening so beautifully. Remember, when you finish your fantastic work, could you ask your grown-up to take a photograph of it and email it to your class teacher, as we love seeing all the brilliant work that you're doing at home. Take care. Bye.